Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to share my quick and easy Chipotle Lime Mayo recipe with you. Okay, to my blender cup I'm going to add a quarter cup of mayonnaise. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. A quarter cup of sour cream, one chipotle pepper in adobo sauce. You can add one or two, it depends on how spicy you want it. One clove of garlic, a quarter teaspoon of salt, the juice from one lime, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend that until it's nice and smooth. You can put this on whatever you want. Recently I made some shrimp tacos and oh my goodness, it was so good on that. I'm going to leave that recipe link below if you're interested. The possibilities are endless with this sauce. You can put it on whatever you want, it's up to you. On my previous video I made some taquitos and I serve it with that also. And that was really good, so I'm going to leave that link below for you too if you're interested. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.